Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P30 Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me as an example, I'm gonna use the home screen. So once it's open, all you really need to do is hold power key and volume down. You'll get this image right here, and then a couple things that you can do with it. So you have hide to the side and edit and scrollable. Now in this mode, scrollable won't really work, but if you have something like a Chrome open, let's just accept and no thanks. And I'm not connected to Wi-Fi, so let's just change that quickly so you can get a better glimpse of this, how it works. See any kind of news that I can get on. Let's do it like this. So as you can see, I get a majestic amount of spam. So there we go. Now as you have scrollable content, you can hold power key like so, and then slide it down, and it will become scrollable, as you can see. Now this will go until you stop it by touching on it, and it will give you then the entire image that it has captured, as you can see now. And that's about it. So then those images can be found in your gallery app. So let's go here and then into the albums, and you have screenshots, and there we go. So you have the screenshot that I captured of the home screen, and then the one from a browser that was scrollable, as you can see. So this is the way you could capture a screenshot and also scrollable one. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.